Hello. Instructions for the physical therapy workbook. Go ahead and open the attached workbook. There's only one worksheet, sheet 1, but I'm going to right click and choose rename, and this will be called Physical Therapy Codes. Enter. So this one, looking at the therapist ID number, it's going to match with the therapist ID number table here and match the first name and last name. So this will be a lookup table. So the first thing I'm going to do is select the range. So select H6 all the way through J11. And I'm going to click here in the name box and I'm going to call it therapist. If you wanted to call it therapist ID, you just can't have a space bar. So that's your choice if you just want to call it therapist. Name box does not accept spaces, and then enter. I always click away from it and then check to see if it worked, and it did. So I always make sure it worked. Now I'm going to select, click A6. Now I can select the range if I want, or I can just stay in A6. I don't want A5, and choose Format as Table and select any light, medium, or dark format table as you'd like. But just make sure, because I didn't select it, that I have to tell it starting at A6. I do not want it to start with the title. So just starting with row 6. A6 to 36, my table has headers, and OK. And then I'm going to click in E6 and type first name, and then tab or enter last name. And then I can make them a little bit bigger. All right, so now I want to create a lookup reference that when it sees this number, AS648, it'll look here and find the first name and then the last name, because they're all in different order. So the first thing I'm going to do is click in E7, choose Formulas, Lookup and Reference, and this is a VLookup, because it's going down. What I want it to look at is that therapist ID number, and you can see it showing right here. Then what did I call the table? Therapist. I don't know if you called it therapist ID, but you want to make sure, and you can see it showing here that it did work. Now, where is the first name? Is it in column 1, column 2, or column 3? So it's in column 3, so I'll type it 3. And then go ahead and click OK. Oh, it's in column 2. Sorry about that. And then you also have to do, because if it doesn't match that ID number, type false. And there you can see Anthony. Now I'll be OK. And then the formula for here, it is lookup and reference, but I'm going to go to recently used, lookup. I want it again to look at the therapist ID, and then what I call the table. And then this is in column 3, and it has to match one of these numbers. If it doesn't, I want it to return false. I can see it's shields, which is perfect, and it fills all of them because I'm in a table. For the title, if you want to select A through F on the Home tab, you can merge and center, make it larger. If you want to change the fill handle, you can do that as well. It's up to you what you'd like to do on that. And that is a save and submit.